Tired of messy drawers and wasted space? Best Drawer Organizer for Clothes can transform clutter into neat sections instantly. Discover smart storage solutions that maximize space, protect garments, and make daily dressing faster, easier, and stress-free for busy lifestyles today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. The Vtopmart Drawer Organizer for Clothes. The Vtopmart Drawer Organizer for Clothes is an excellent solution for anyone looking to keep their clothing drawers neat and well-structured. Made from transparent, shatter-resistant plastic, this organizer offers both durability and convenience, allowing you to easily see and access your items without digging through clutter. The sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the silicone strips on both sides help protect your drawers from scratches and damage. This thoughtful design makes it ideal for daily use, especially for busy households that require dependable organization tools. One of the standout features of this drawer organizer is its expandable and adjustable design. With a height of 4 inches and an adjustable length ranging from 10.2 to 16.5 inches, it easily fits into most drawers, making it highly versatile. Installation is quick and simple thanks to the strong spring tension that keeps the divider securely in place. Whether you're organizing clothes, baby garments, underwear, or socks, this divider helps create customized compartments tailored to your needs. Overall, the Vtopmart Drawer Organizer delivers reliable performance, durability, and flexibility for maintaining tidy and organized drawers effortlessly. Number 2. NEATERIZE Drawer Organizer for Clothes. The NEATERIZE Drawer Organizer for Clothes offers a versatile and practical solution for organizing clothing and household essentials. Designed with durable, breathable fabric and reinforced stitching, these organizers are built to last while maintaining a lightweight and flexible structure. Their reusable and easy-to-clean design makes them a convenient option for maintaining long-term organization without much effort. Whether you're organizing clothing, accessories, or small household items, this set provides a dependable storage solution that helps eliminate clutter. This organizer set includes multiple sizes, making it suitable for a variety of storage needs. With smaller cubes, rectangular bins, and larger square containers, you can easily separate socks, underwear, baby clothes, or accessories. The foldable design also makes it easy to store when not in use, saving valuable space. These organizers work well in drawers, closets, shelves, and even dresser tops, making them ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or laundry rooms. The attractive design also enhances the look of your storage space. Overall, the NEATERIZE Drawer Organizer is a flexible, durable, and stylish option for keeping your clothes and essentials neatly arranged. Number 3. Simple Houseware Drawer Organizer for Clothes. The Simple Houseware Drawer Organizer for Clothes is a practical and affordable solution for organizing smaller clothing items such as socks, underwear, scarves, and accessories. Made from lightweight non-woven fabric, these organizers are foldable and easy to store when not in use. The breathable material keeps items fresh while maintaining a structured shape inside drawers. This organizer set is especially useful for people who want a simple yet effective way to keep their clothing neatly arranged and easy to access. This set includes 7 pieces with 4 different bin types, offering flexibility for various storage needs. The 6-cell bins are perfect for scarves, belts, and face towels, while the 8-cell bins work well for socks and underwear. The 7-cell and 24-cell bins provide additional compartments for bras, shirts, or multiple pairs of socks. This thoughtful variety allows users to customize their storage layout according to their preferences. The compact size also makes them ideal for small drawers. Overall, this simple houseware drawer organizer provides a convenient and budget-friendly way to maintain organized drawers and simplify your daily routine. Number 4. SONGMICS Drawer Organizer for Clothes. The SONGMICS Drawer Organizer for Clothes is designed to help simplify your storage and reduce clutter in drawers and cabinets. This set includes 12 organizer boxes in different sizes, allowing you to neatly separate clothing items such as bras, underwear, socks, and accessories. The lightweight yet sturdy design ensures durability while maintaining flexibility for everyday use. These organizers are ideal for people who want to save time searching for items and maintain a tidy living space. With 4 large squares, 4 medium rectangles, and 4 small squares, this set offers excellent versatility for organizing items of various sizes. The flexible arrangement allows you to use them in drawers, closets, or even on shelves. In addition to clothing, these organizers can store makeup, small tools, or accessories, making them suitable for multiple rooms in your home. The clean and simple design also enhances drawer organization without adding bulk. Overall, the SONGMICS Drawer Organizer is a practical, multi-purpose storage solution that helps keep your belongings neatly sorted and easily accessible. Number 5. SAILUN Drawer Organizer for Clothes. The SAILUN Drawer Organizer for Clothes offers a unique storage solution designed for small spaces and flexible organization. This lightweight plastic storage cabinet features multiple layers, making it ideal for organizing clothes, bedding, and other household items. The foldable and stackable design helps maximize vertical space, making it perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or compact homes. Its simple setup process requires no drilling, allowing anyone to quickly assemble and start organizing. Another impressive feature is its mobility and durability. Built-in wheels allow easy movement, while the sturdy frame supports up to 220 pounds. The rounded edges and safety lock buckles also make it safe for families with children. This organizer is also designed for renters and frequent movers, as it can be easily disassembled and transported. Whether placed in bedrooms, closets, or living areas, it helps create an organized and clutter-free environment. Overall, the SAILUN Drawer Organizer provides a spacious, portable, and reliable storage solution for modern homes. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.